Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So today we're having kebabs. To accompany it, I am making toum. Toum is a Lebanese condiment. Imagine mayonnaise, but made out of garlic. So that's what we're making today. This is tedious, but it's easy, and you need patience. So let's go. What I have here is a cup and a half of avocado oil. I've got about a half a cup of garlic cloves, and I got 2 lemons, and I have a teaspoon of salt. That's it. That's all you need to make this incredible treat. So first thing we need to do is get our garlic cloves ready. This is a great trick. If you need to get that papery skin off of them, put all those puppies in a mason jar. Think about somebody who has wronged you, and then shake the bejeezus out of it. That's going to help separate those papery skins from the garlic. Now we got to do a little bit more with the garlic. So we'll dump that out. We'll get the skins off, and we'll get that hard end, if there is, at the bottom off of them too. So it's best if you grab a lovely assistant and have her help you with getting the garlic peels off. Now comes the tedious part. So we're going to take each one of these garlic cloves that we just peeled. One, we're going to make sure that any hard end is off of it. And then we're going to cut each one of them lengthwise. So this one's okay. What you're looking for is that very center of the garlic clove. If you see green there, take that out, because if you leave that in there, it's going to make this sauce bitter, and we don't want that. If you do see the green, then you can grab the top of it with your fingernail and then just pull that center out. As long as there's no green showing, you're good to go. Actually, that batch was pretty good to me. Last time I did this, I had to remove the center out of every garlic clove. This time, I only had to do it to 2 of them out of maybe 20, 25. Okay, now comes the point where you need the patience. Garlic goes into your food processor. If you have a multi-speed food processor, do this part on low speed. If you don't, it's not the end of the world. Add your garlic, add your salt. We're gonna mince this for about a minute until the garlic is good and minced. Once all that garlic is migrated to the outside of the bowl and stuck to it, go ahead and use a spatula, scrape that down, and keep going. Okay, when you're done with that, scrape it down one more time. Now is the part that requires the patience. Okay, so I got my 2 fresh lemons here. You roll them as you're pushing down on them. It gets the juices all dizzy in there and they come out easier. At least that's what I think. We're looking for about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 2 lemons will get you there. Now is the part that requires patience. Now, if we do screw this up, all is not lost. We can still make this into a delicious condiment. It just won't be traditional Toum. We're gonna get the processor started, and I'm gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and then wait and make sure that it gets emulsified. So the patience here is you have to do a lot of scraping down and add this slowly until you start getting that emulsified. Now I'm about 3 minutes in, so now it's going to be time to alternate a little bit of lemon juice with a little bit of oil. Remember, you have way more oil than lemon juice, but if you don't do this evenly, it's going to separate on you. So we'll get a couple tablespoons of avocado oil in there. And we're going to get a teaspoon or so of lemon juice. And then back to a couple tablespoons of oil, and then just keep alternating. Resist the urge and just dump the whole thing in there. Okay, we're coming together pretty nicely there. Now I'm going to go to a pouring method. A little bit of lemon juice. A little bit of oil. Okay, we're looking good. We're about at the halfway point between my oil and lemon juice. So I'm going to stop it real quick, scrape down the sides, and then finish up. Now, if it doesn't come together in a creamy mixture, sort of the consistency of mayonnaise, you can still save it. You can add some egg whites and continue to blend it, and it will end up light and fluffy for you. But that's not really traditional Toum, but it's still delicious. I've been there. So if you like what you're seeing here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Is there a different way that you do this? Put it down in the comments. Or if you'd like to see us cook anything. There's plenty of entrees and long-form videos on our YouTube page, Galley of the Sun. That garlic smell is absolutely amazing. Let's give it a look. We are there. Absolutely out of this world. Make sure you give this a try. Hey, until next time, fair winds and following seas.